Hello everyone, I am here to talk to you about regenerative agriculture and its importance in today's world. Regenerative agriculture is a farming technique that goes beyond sustainability, seeking to actively improve and restore the health of the land, water, and air. It's a holistic approach that focuses on the building soil health, increasing biodiversity, and reducing the use of synthetic inputs, all while producing nutritious food for people. Regenerative agriculture is gaining popularity in recent years as people realize the negative impact of the modern industrial agriculture on the environment, human health, and animal welfare. Modern agriculture relies heavily on synthetic inputs like pesticides, fertilizer, and genetically modified crop, which have led to soil degradation, loss of biodiversity, and pollution of the waterways. In contrast, regenerative agriculture aims to mimic natural ecosystem where plants and animals interact with each other to create a self-sustaining ecosystem. One of the main principles of the regenerative agriculture is soil health. Soil is a living organism teeming with the microorganisms, fungi, and insects, all of which play a vital role in maintaining the soil's fertility and structure. Regenerative farmers use practices like cover cropping, crop rotation, and reduced tillage to build healthy soil, which in turn increases the yield and the quality of the crops. Healthy soils also sequesters carbon, reducing the amount of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which contributes to mitigating climate change. Another important principle of the regenerative agriculture is the biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of the living organism in an ecosystem, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. Modern industrial agriculture has reduced the biodiversity by relying on the monocultures, where a single crop is grown in a large quantities and chemical inputs are used to control pests and diseases. Regenerative farmers, on the other hand, embrace biodiversity by planting a mix of crops, using companion planting, and providing habitat for beneficial insects and animals. This creates a more resilient ecosystem that is less susceptible to pests and disease, reducing the need for synthetic inputs. Regenerative agriculture also prioritizes animal welfare. Industrial agriculture often involves the confinements and mistreatments of the animals, leading to health problems and environmental pollution. Regenerative farmers allow animals to graze and roam freely, mimicking natural grazing patterns. This improves the health of the animals, reduces the need for the synthetic inputs, and contributes to overall health of the ecosystem. In addition to its environmental and health benefits, regenerative agriculture also has economic benefits. By reducing the need for the synthetic inputs, regenerative farmers can reduce their input costs while improving their yields and quality. Regenerative farming can also create jobs in rural areas as it requires more labor intensive practices like cover cropping and crop rotation. Moreover, regenerative agriculture can help small farmers compete with the large industrial farms as it prioritizes quality over quantity and encourage direct relationship between farmers and consumers. In conclusion, regenerative agriculture is a farming technique that goes beyond sustainability, seeking to actively improve and restore the health of the land, water, and air. It's a holistic approach that focuses on building soil health, increasing biodiversity, and reducing the use of synthetic inputs, all while producing nutritious food for people. Regenerative agriculture offers a path forward for a more sustainable, equitable, and resilient food system, one that benefits both people and planet. Thank you for watching. Keep healthy and try to make healthy planet.